To pick up a small dog, grab the dog's collar or leash with your dominant hand, then bring your non-dominant arm over the top of the dog's back and put your hand under its chest, just behind the front legs. Tuck your dog's body under your non-dominant arm to support it and keep it from wiggling. For larger dogs, scoop the dog up in both arms, with one arm under the rump and one wrapped around the dog's chest, in front of the forelegs. If your dog weighs more than 40 pounds, 18 kilograms, get someone to help you lift it. To avoid injuring yourself, especially if your dog is heavy, lift with your legs and not your back. Try to pick up your dog at a time when it is relaxed. If you have to pick up a nervous dog, you may need to wrap the dog in a towel to help keep it still and secure.